Guys, there is a job. There's a job, guys. Basically, you will remember most that there was the July 30, and prior to July 30, a lot of things happened, right? As a result of that, there was a complaint about Checkers, Checkers 60 what, and the fact that it had employed non-South Africans. And that led to a lot of revolution, and that led to a lot of changes. This is not just a matter of this part, but it's just a lot. And I need you guys to understand that, because here, even females are there. I'm going to show you how much people are making. Some people are saying, who are on this platform, they are now making not less than 4,500 Rand a week. So I need you guys to understand that. But I will have to start everything from the beginning for you guys to understand, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do now. Obviously we start with this post. There's a post here that said, just give me a minute. There's a post here that said, my laptop is misbehaving, by the way. It says, some of us aren't keyboard warriors. We mostly speak about things we have information on. Most South Africans quit this job as much faster rate, and you can't expect companies to provide free training for this. Go get your driver's license first, then apply for this job, right? Just a minute. I'm gonna have to explain as well what is going on here so you understand. And then the next post, I need you guys to listen to this. There's hope here. And it is my responsibility to bring every information to your look. Sorry guys, my laptop is misbehaving here. I just don't know what's going on. The next post says, please, there is a page on Facebook where they rent our motorbikes for delivery, to just in case you need it. Right? That's another solution that I'm bringing to the table. So when I saw this, I actually realized that, there are people who are doing this as of us speaking. Now listen to this. Then the same guy who started the conversation says, I only got 2 DMs from this post, but all right, I also told him to be patient because a lot of people do not have this type of license. And I'm going to speak to that shortly. But I need you guys now. Then Chris Excel says, 6060 have 9,000 drivers across South Africa. They hire 10% of South Africans, 90% of foreign national. Most no documents. The driver get paid 10,500 per month, right? That is for Shoprite 60. So it's actually the same company, by the way. Shoprite 6060 or Checkers 6060. It's actually the same company. Again, don't panic. That guy then also came back. Village Kuluva said, 6060 doesn't hire you directly, comrade. You bring your own motorbike, which you can either buy or rent from a relevant companies. Then partner with them. Unfortunately, many South Africans are still undermining this type of business, while others are making good money from it. Guys, don't worry. Bongs, plug them. After this video, it will probably take you your PDP. Maybe get your PDP next week. The following week, you will be ready to start. Just don't do it. Listen to this. Somebody posted, you all should get motorbike license. The question is, how do we get a motorbike license? And that's the next question that you want me to answer, and I will do so. But the bottom line, or what I was trying to do, it was to show you that there is a demand for you to start at doing this 6060. Either you buy a motorbike, you use that motorbike, or you are a driver there. Now, let's talk about things that are required for you to work there. I'm going to get to the other part. They're saying, here's what you need to apply for. Take a lot, Mr. Bdelivery. Personal document. You need an ID, driver's license, proof of address. The vehicle document, you need a roadworthy certificate, insurance, and what, and that other thing. Okay, leave that. Now, let me get into this one, which, again, it just helps you, gives you perspective. This guy says, I run a delivery service platform. I have 13 drivers that I've hired, and they are all South Africans with license to drive bikes. I also have done one, and I can drive a bike. Checker 6060 ASAP must abide by the rule of law. And we know what what he's basically trying to say. Of which, by the way, that was a great marketing strategy. I like what he did there. And then, okay, we've already covered this one where this lady was telling us that you need to get your license as quick as possible. Another evidence that was posted, listen to this, breaking news. The Queen have spoken, Jacinta Zuma. She said, we will march every Thursday. Yes, every Thursday 4 p.m. And we'll never vote for parties that what did not support us. Okay, the reason I mention this is because what the opportunities that are coming up, it's as a result of Jacinta Ngobese and the people that are supporting her. Phakelo Mthakathi had a press briefing yesterday, and he stated very clear that they are supporting Jacinta Ngobese. In other words, what we are seeing, it is Jacinta Ngobese's brain. It is Jacinta Ngobese's idea. So they are pushing her higher and say, lead us. So when we see things happening, it is as a result of Jacinta Ngobese. Now, somebody says South Africans apply Checker 6060's hiring. It is confirmed 1st of July 2026. I think I'm trying to bombard you with this information intentionally. Then Chris Excel says, this is an opportunity for that fraudster Ndabeni to chip in motorbikes for South African brothers. Right, I think that would be interesting. Now, here is this story that got me. I was like, wow, this lady is a female. Listen to this. I got retrenched last year. I joined Tekelo to do delivery with my car, but it was a lot on petrol. So I decided to switch to an automatic bike. I went from spending 4,000 to actually 150 per day on petrol. Plus, I make orders than I did with the car. So we know that it saves you petrol. Now here are good news again, because you don't want me just to give you this information without this. This is the part where you get to have some good news. This guy says, we had a learnership with a one chat to train people for bike driver's license, free driver's license, and 2,000 stipend. You don't come every day. Guess what? Out of 286 people from Kasi, only 8 got their driver's license. Most of them, they didn't even finish the learners. What I'm showing you there's Twitter page, Twitter handle. If you feel that you want to talk to those people, don't come to me and say I should do it for you. I'm displaying their Twitter handle. In other words, it's now your responsibility to say, okay, there's a Twitter handle. Click on that Twitter handle, and then it will help you. You will find that person. So I've already brought necessary information before you. The other person says, I was willing to teach South Africans how to ride a motorbike, and the only condition was for them to get their learner's license for a bike. No one has been able to come back to me with learner's license. They don't have money to apply for learners. I don't want to say much. This is the part. Now, listen to this. Prince KP, that lady, the same lady who said she's willing to teach everybody and nobody came back to her. Listen to this. Prince KP says, "Hi, Noctula. I've never bought anything on Take a Lot before in my life. But how do I use your services to assist your hustle? Sorry you got retrenched." The power of social media there, which is very, 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 very important. Now listen to this part. Listen to this part. Very important. I'm bringing you this perspective for the sake of uplifting you. Listen to this. I want my South African brothers to understand that this job can make them over 4K a week. Let's occupy this space. Not me. People are speaking. It's out there. And then somebody said, listen to this. "We know Checkers is hiring, but Pride won't allow them to advertise because it will look obvious." You know what he's saying. So there's quite a lot that is basically happening. But here's the cheat code, guys. Because you wanted to hear this part. This is the cheat code, a cheat code, guys. And let me say this. Guys, a motorbike, if you want to drive a motorbike, the prerequisite is for you to have a learners. With learners, you can drive a motorbike. It will then depend with the company that you are working with. But some companies were more than willing to accept a learners whilst you are waiting for your driver's license. So it's not like a car where you need a driver's license. No, this space is not like that. It actually allows you to, you can literally continue working even if you do not have the license. I don't know about Mr. D, but you can try your luck. That's one. Two, the reason I was bringing this information was so that I can show you two things. One, that the fact that you can literally go in there, start as a driver, get your license. The second one is that you can actually get a motorbike and hire and actually you can get a motorbike and give it to somebody else who will work on the platform and get paid. There was a time where I myself wanted to get into the space, but I wanted to buy a motorbike. It's just that I couldn't find people that I can trust. So right now, if everything was to work accordingly, if I were to probably come across somebody that I know that I can trust, once I get money, I'm more than willing to buy a motorbike, put it there and allow the motorbike to make that little bit of money, even if it's 500 a week. I mean, come on, man. Who would give me 500 a week? So I'm prepared to do that. So I'm giving it up to you guys, and I'm saying it's open to you guys. Here is a business. Please take care of this, guys. Or here is a job. Please take care of this.